What is going on, you guys? It is your boy, Roy, and...
It's me.
Mrs. Your boy, Roy. You guys, I am so excited about today's video because we have a story to tell you. It's one of my favorite stories to tell. So we'll just get straight into it. So we were driving. This was after we had started dating. We were driving home, and on the way home, Tasha had made a joke. We passed a McDonald's, or we were coming up to a McDonald's, and she said, "I love McDonald's. Do you want to go get McDonald's?" Like, you said it kind of sarcastically, like it was a joke almost.
See what he said.
Yeah, like, ha ha ha, you own a fitness company, like, McDonald's, whatever.
And I really was being genuine. I do love McDonald's.
And we stopped at the stoplight. McDonald's was right there. And I said, "We need to talk. There's something I need to tell you." She's like, her eyes got real big.
Yeah.
And we paused, and she was like, "What?" And I said, "I eat McDonald's more than you know." That was like the big...
I was thinking the worst. We've got to talk usually means
something
bad things.
And so I told her the story of when we first started dating. I would get off of work late. I'd come home, and you were making dinner for the family.
Yeah.
The two kids.
You weren't living with me yet, so you would, like, come over. And I would always have dinner made. But you didn't want to eat all the food that I was making.
Yeah. So I didn't know how much food she was going to make, and she was a single mom. I didn't want to, like, eat all of her food and be like, "Oh, I'm still hungry," and raid her kitchen. I also didn't want to be starving after. So I would stop at McDonald's almost every night on the way to her house, and I would eat McDonald's in her driveway and throw it away outside, and then proceed to go inside, not tell her that I got McDonald's, and eat dinner with the family.
Yep. It was so funny when he told me because number one, I always made like a lot of food because I knew that he was going to eat it, and I love having leftovers. So I always made like a lot of food. Number two, the kids would always ask me, "Mom, why is Roy out in the car?" And I would always say, "Oh, he's probably just working." Nope, he was eating McDonald's the whole time. Coming over, eating McDonald's, and then coming inside. It wasn't even work. It was McDonald's.
Yeah. And so I'm so excited about tonight's video because we've been planning this for a while. We said the next time we get McDonald's, we would do this video, and it's probably been 3 times we've got McDonald's since then and haven't done the video. So we're finally doing it, you guys.
We did
it. Is here. We have done it, the thing. Okay? We're going to go through what we ordered. I do want to say that there's a reason why we're doing this and we're telling you all this. Just make it to the end. But I will tell you this to start, that this is not like a promo saying go eat McDonald's. It's not what we're saying.
We just want to keep it real with you.
We do want to just keep it real with you guys. So I'll let you go first. What'd you get, babe?
Well, is this one mine?
Yep.
I always get a Big Mac. This is my favorite. Nice.
We got fries with it.
Big Mac. I got Big Mac. I get fries.
I got the double quarter pounder.
Yeah.
Is my go-to.
Yeah.
Why don't they call it a half pounder? Because that's what it is.
I don't know.
Double quarter just sounds better. And then recently we have been getting and splitting our 10-piece McNuggets with barbecue sauce is our sauce of choice.
Wait. Did you say that we split this?
Well, I ate 80% of it.
95%. I might get one nugget if I want it.
That's fair. That is fair.
This is usually Roy's meal.
Yeah. So we're about to chow down. We're about to eat. This is our dinner. It is almost 8:30 at night. We just got back from some of the kids' events, and it was like just like you guys, we were in a hurry, and this was just what was convenient. And so the reason why I wanted to share this with you is because we've told this story before. And again, this isn't a promo of like, oh, you can go eat McDonald's and be healthy. But I think this is a great example of like, we try to keep it real with you guys, that we're not perfect. And I would not deem this food as healthy. I mean, when we talk about probably the most unhealthy food, the most processed food, like this is it.
Yeah.
But I think at the same time that there's this thing called balance. And I truly believe that there's a time and place for things like this in your journey. Because we hear it all the time of like, whether it's pizza or Chinese food or cake or ice cream or candy or McDonald's or eating out or this or that. And they're, to put in perspective, if you eat out for every single meal, breakfast, lunch, and dinner all the time, McDonald's, for example, and you were to cut that back to just doing it once a day, you can essentially move closer towards a healthier life and still eat McDonald's. We don't do this all the time.
Yeah.
Okay. I mean, once a month, once every other week kind of thing, would you say?
Yeah. 90% of our diet is clean, whole food that we make at home ourselves.
Yep.
And every once in a while when I'm tired or we're running late and we didn't prepare well, or sometimes, to be honest, we just crave it.
Yep.
We're just like, I just feel like McDonald's, or I feel like this fast food, whatever. Then we'll get it. And we won't feel guilty about it because the rest of our life is in alignment with having this. I'm going to eat this. I'm going to enjoy it. I'm probably not going to feel my best tomorrow. My workout's not going to be great, right? Like, I know that, but that's part of the balance, right? Is knowing that I can enjoy this and I can still live my best life.
And again, I think that there's just different phases of people's lives. There's times where we don't do this at all. We want to be very strict. We want to be very diligent. We want to be feeling our best. We want to perform athletically. We want to shed some fat, whatever that looks like. There's phases of our life where we are doing this, maybe twice a week, right? Like we have ice cream almost every night before we go to bed. Again, I think it's just a matter of fixing your relationship with food and stop saying, oh, I can never have dessert, or I can never have carbs, or I can never have McDonald's, or I can never have a French fry, or I can never have this or that. It's more so of just saying, if I do this, can I still move closer to my goals? And looking at your nutrition as a whole, not just per one meal, right? Because you got to enjoy your life at the end of the day as well.
Yeah.
Right?
It's the balance, you guys. It's the balance. It's something that we have to live by. There's cats in the...
There's now cats in the video. Okay, that's probably our cue to go because the cats are getting antsy. But you guys, I appreciate you being here. Again, we know that there's certain foods that are healthier than others for sure. But again, find the balance in your life. Enjoy these foods. We'll keep it real just like we do with you guys. Just remember, we don't pray for an easy life.
We're in a rough one.
Y'all keep earning those cookies.